Hello, good morning dear students. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the last topic of our chapter, heat zones, that is frigid zone. Frigid zone is already we discussed, that lies in between 66.5 degree north and north pole. So here and here 66.5 degree south and south pole. What is 66.5 degree north? It is Arctic Circle. So it is the area between Arctic Circle and North Pole, and in the south frigid zone is the area in between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. We already told in the case of temperate zone itself, the sun's rays are slanting in the temperate zone. Sun's ray. But here, as it is in the topmost portion and in the bottommost portion, the sun's rays are very much slanting and most of the rays do not reach there at all. Most of the rays from the sun do not reach in these places, some of the places in this South Pole and North Pole. So it's all over, means throughout the year it is very cold here and the surface do not get heated. Due to sun's rays, we are receiving very high sun rays in our summer season, isn't it? And our surface, ground surface get heated due to that. But in this frigid zone, the surface never get heated because the sun's rays do not reach here completely. Therefore, the surface is not heated. And these places or the areas in the frigid zone have long winter season and very short summer season. They have long winter season and very short summer season. And see, the surface of this frigid zone is almost in the frozen condition, that is ice-like condition. Frigid zone surface in the two uyarna pradalam. What happens to that? It is in frozen condition, that is as like an ice. This is called permafrost. The top portion or the top surface in the soil that is in almost frozen condition, which is called permafrost. You can see the picture in your textbook also. And see, we told that it got a long winter season and very short summer season. They receive a heavy amount of snowfall during this winter season, and in summer season sun never set. There is no sunset in the summer season, but there is no heat also. We will receive sunlight in a light manner, but it does not keep any warmth in these areas. See, this winter season, during the winter season, up to 3 months, it may go into dark, means the full day it will be dark. And it varies. Here, Arctic Circle become dark for 24 hours and North Pole will be in dark for 6 months. So 24 hours to 6 months. 24 മണിക്കൂർ dark color ആയിക്കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇരിക്കും in the Arctic Circle, and in North Pole it is 6 months. For 6 months it will be dark there. See, in between these areas they receive the amount of they have the darkness in between these numbers, that is 24 hours and 6 months. ഇതിനിടയിലുള്ള ദിവസം അത്രയും ദിവസങ്ങളിലായിരിക്കും ഇവിടെ ഡാർക്ക്നെസ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്. മീൻസ് the portion, the areas in between Arctic Circle and North Pole also will be in darkness for a time which is in between 24 hours and 6 months. So that's all about frigid zone. Let me explain one more time. Frigid zone does not receive sunlight in a good manner. Hence, the surface does not get heated. As the slanting rays do not reach to most of the portions, the surface never get heated. And it have very long winter season and short summer season. The surface is almost in the frozen condition, which is called permafrost. And it receives heavy snowfall, and in the summer season the sun never sets, but yet there is no heat at all. And last point is that the winter season it will be in dark for about 3 months. The full area in the zones, frigid zones will be in darkness that may vary from 24 hours to 6 months in the North Pole. It will be in between this time. So 24 hours only in the Arctic Circle, but in between it may increase, maybe 1 day here, 2 day here, 3 day, 1 month, 2 months, and at last in the North Pole it is 6 months. So these areas have darkness in between these time, 6 hours to 24 hours to 6 months. That's all about the chapter. Here we discussed 3 zones, isn't it? First one is torrid zone, which is very heat zone, which receive very much amount of heat, and second one is temperate zone, third one is what we discussed today, frigid zone. Hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask to your concerned teachers. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.